Hey everybody, happy Friday. Hope you're all doing well and looking forward to the weekend. It's going to be so beautiful. For today's recipe, we have a buffalo chicken ranch wrap. It's a very nice wrap to make for lunch or dinner, whatever you like, and you can pair it with whatever sides. We had it for lunch, so we didn't really make it with any sides because we did put a lot of vegetables inside the wraps. And that's pretty much all I have to say right now, so let's get started. Okay guys, that is it. Super easy recipe. I just want to make a couple notes about everything in the video. This buffalo sauce is super awesome because there's no extra additives in it and it's basically you're making it, so that's always a win-win. You can say, hey, I made that. Okay, so a few notes here. For the chicken, feel free to serve it however you want. I shredded mine. And then for the buffalo sauce, you have to make sure you cool it down, and then it is gonna split at that point, but just reincorporate it. I used a whisk for mine because we were using it right away. But if you want to save it for a later date, you can immersion blend it, and then that will prevent it from separating again when you bring it out of the fridge. Just to note which vegetables I put into it, you can put whatever you want in it. I put in green onion, red onion, carrots, celery, cucumber, and I think that was pretty much it. And then when I built the wrap, I added in some shredded cheddar cheese and some ranch just to alleviate some of the spiciness in the wrap. And I think that's pretty much it. If you guys have any questions, let me know, and I hope you guys all have a great weekend. I'll see you on Sunday.